So we are going to design a granite tile shape in the middle as design. This is the hall, but this is the fifth floor. We need to design on the fourth floor, which does not have all of these things. There is some kitchen opening here. There is an opening here for the two bedrooms. There is an opening here for the entrance of the hall. Luckily, I have the measurement for the same hall just below this floor, which is this thing, and I had done this to make the false ceiling. So there is the entrance here, there is the entrance for the two bedrooms here, there is the kitchen entrance here. Now there is a staircase that is going here, and then we are going to create a rectangle of granite 4-inch thick design. So also the tile size is 6 by 4 feet, so we need to keep that in mind. So this should be ideally 6 feet, and then we'll have to figure out how much to leave it on either side, and then there will be 4 feet gaps till we reach the end. Cool. So this entire thing is around 24 feet, 25 feet. If we remove 5 feet, we've got 20 feet, and if we have 20 feet, then 4 5s are 20. 5 tiles can fit in this box. So we are going to leave a total of 5 feet. So we're going to figure that out, how much to leave. And as for horizontally, we've got 12 feet, and 12 minus 6, we have 6 feet. So we can have 3 feet on either side, or 3.5 and 2.5. So let's make this thing now. So this will be a rectangle. It's a bit difficult to draw with the phone in hand and not looking at the drawing directly. Actually, let's do it again. This will be much easier. All right, so we have got a rectangle. And then here is the entrance, and there is the window over here, and then there is kitchen entrance over here, door, and somewhere over here another door. There is staircase, which is 2.5 feet and then goes on to 3 feet on this side. I am planning to leave 5 feet from here so that it also aligns with this thing and it becomes a part of the design. And we'll leave 3.5 feet from here, or we'll leave, yeah, okay, so the design will be like this. Okay, this will be the granite. Now the dimensions. So I'm thinking let's have 2.5 feet here and 3.5 feet here, so the total will be 6 feet. Let me just think once. This entire thing is 12 feet, right? And this is 24. And then we'll have 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 6 feet, 6 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fours are 20. Oh, we have only 4 feet. Oh, sorry, it was, I think, 25. In that case, I'll have to just look at the measurements once again. Yeah. So this is 25 feet, this is 12 feet, and we just got 20 feet, so we need 5 feet to accommodate. And if this is 3 feet, then we'll have only 2 feet here, but then there is the staircase going around here, so that's not cool. If we remove one of the tiles, so we'll get 4 feet extra, which means that'll be too much. 16 4s are 16, and that won't make sense. What we can do other than this is rotate these tiles vertically and then see what happens. So if we have a tile like this, and then again it is like this thing will be 6, this will be 4 and 4, so we've got 8 that is covered. And the thing is that we've got 12, so there will be 4 feet left, which is not good. We need to leave 3.5 feet or 3 feet at least, so that when we put in some furniture, some sofas, we are able to see these things and it does not cut with the furniture. This design does not cut with the furniture, and we are not be able to do that in this case, because if 8 feet is gone, we've got only 4 feet left. 3.5 feet, then only half of it will be left out here. That won't make sense. So we'll have to go with this orientation. Now what happens is, this is the issue. 5 4s are 20, then we have 5 feet, so we'll have 3 feet here and then 2 feet here, or 3 feet here and then 2 feet here, but then again we need 3 feet at least in this case. Let me think. Yeah, so this is 25 feet. And this is 12 feet. This is pretty simple. Since this is 12 feet, we've got 6 feet gone, and then we'll have 2.5 feet here and 3.5 feet here to add up to 6 feet. But the issue is with this thing. So if I have 3.5 feet here, for the sake of uniformity, what's the distance that is left? Okay, so 4 5s are 20, 23.5. Oh, no distance is left, it's just like 0.5 feet left. So if we reduce one entire tile, then we'll have 4.5 feet left, because it will be like 4.5, and then 4 4s are 16, and then 3.5. So that's 20.5, 24. Just to confirm, was it 24 or 25? It is 25, 24.7. So we will add 0.7, sorry, 7 feet. No, that's 0.7. Okay. Yeah, so we'll add 0.7 to it. So that will be 5.2, which is almost this. So 5.2. feet, and then this starts, and we'll just remove all of this. So then there are 4 tiles, and this is how it will be.